Relax. Got this ultimate set of tools. I can fix it.
You may have seen the worst 70 GTO in the world. And now you're looking at the worst 69 GTO in the world.
Surely you can't be serious.
I am serious. And don't call me Shirley.
Don't look too bad so far, except that, you know, it's missing everything. Okay. All the fun stuff. Manual steering. Manual brakes. Manual transmission. And it's a non-AC car. So it's kind of one of those like hot rod me. Because I'm just like bare bones. Except it's missing a little bit. This door's trashed. The quarter panels are trashed. That door won't open at this point. Oh, that's because I have it strapped. A little bit of holes, missing a little bit of dash action. It's there, it's just not really connected. I got these cool Kragers. Here's what's left of the rear bumper. And a couple of bits. Oh, I didn't even notice. Got the steering wheel still in there. I drug this out of a Indiana backyard. You could say it was rough. I'm just moving my firewood here. That is one fine truck dick lid, isn't it? Yeah. Lightning itself. Yeah, it's missing a little bit. Like chunk of frame, like everything in the floor. Yeah, back here it's pretty ugly. Stuck a rear end under it just to get it moving. But the cool thing is, most of the pinch welds, where the weather stripping goes, isn't rusted. The 65 was a lot worse. So, this is what I got to work with. This is actually pretty easy. It's not that hard to replace trunk pads. They sell all that. But I have another solution. That is so nice. Oh, jeez. I haven't pulled the vinyl top yet. I need to. Find out how bad it is under there. But here, this is the problem. This is going to require an entire quarter panel. So what I'm thinking is, get a full quarter for this side. Let's take a look at that real quick. Because I might have to just order 2 full quarters. We'll see what's under here. Wow! That ain't bad at all. So, 1 full quarter, 1 skin. I can just zip it right down it and replace the bottom half. Or I can do full quarters and just not have all the welding. I might. $300 difference at this point. I don't know if the price is going up. And yeah, this is pretty trashed. So full quarter, quarter skin, and the tail panel here. Trunk lid, motorcycle glass, and yeah, I'm going to get this piece too, the filler that goes between the trunk and the window, because yeah, it's pretty well done. So I get that, make that all nice and easy, and this, I can make that work. I'll just sandblast it and make it pretty. Nobody sees the package shelf. nothing under there, man. This thing is really rough. But for the price I paid for it, not bad. I'll have to see about these rockers. I can kind of make them work. And up in here. So floors are completely gone, just kind of hanging out there. Holes everywhere, springs. Really cool Traegers. I think I might just bead blast them and call them good. Maybe polish them. That chrome is flaking off. But yeah, I am going to drive this. I might just fix that dash. Only got one chunk missing. Clean it up, fix it, paint it. And you know it's a no AC car because it's got vents. 65 is real rusty back in here. There's the other vent. Still has the pedals. That's a good thing. Oh man. Get that out. That makes me wonder, how bad's the pinch weld under here? Probably kind of bad. Good thing I can fix that. So you're probably thinking, that guy, this is just not even a parts car. Just crush it. The problem is, it's a real 242 VIN GTO. And it's a 69. This is the only 69 GTO, or only 69 vehicle I've ever owned. I've owned everything from 63 to 70 or 82. But not a 69. So here it is. In all its radiant glory. All of its please kill me now rust. That door is possibly repairable. Yeah, I get a patch, I can fix this door. So that means I can just get a skin for it, I bet. Yeah, I'll just get a skin. The other one I'm probably gonna need a whole door. And then I'm trying to decide, do I want to use steel fenders or fiberglass front end? Because it's not going to be a show car. And it's all manual. So I'm kind of thinking, I could do so many fun things with it. But this is the worst 69 GTO that I think anybody's ever going to rebuild. And you're going to get to watch it right here on Slate That Guy.
My mind's telling me no. I can't afford this shit. But my body